A survey of the electrical intake at Mulberry Court. The intake for the landlord, at least the one we saw, is situated in the within the complex next to the car park. The consumer units are situated near the door. They are missing important protective covers. As you can see, the copper at the back here is the live connection of the consumer unit and is accessible. These covers are missing. If they can be purchased, then it is not a problem. However, if not, because it is a 4-generation back distribution board, it will have to be replaced. The same goes for this one. Again, at the back, the copper part, which is the live part of the board, is visible. The installation is old, but the conduit looks here in good condition. The connections in and out of the consumer unit look sound, and there are no exposed part anywhere. There is a general dust problem, which together with damp can create a problem. There are cables here which are hanging in mid-air, and these are main supply cables fed from this facility. This is not possible to maintain because of tension that they put on the connectors. These cables will have to be rerouted somehow. There are still obsolete parts of the installation which need to be verified as not connected and disconnected. Again, the dust problem here, which when it absorbs the moisture, turns into corrosion, which then affects the earthing. So that isolator for the boiler room, at the moment the earthing part is impaired because of the rust on the earthing connection. Elsewhere, the same dust problem and corrosion needs to be addressed. There is a cable here which leaves this sub-main head, and the earthing here is incorrectly installed, and at the moment it should not be working because of the way it was installed. This cable needs to be disconnected and a proper SWA connection made to it. This is the service head, and it feeds the sub-main boards for the flats. These boards are lockable. However, these butterfly screws need to be changed to normal bolts to enable locking of the distribution board. The cables here are VIR. However, they are in reasonable condition. In order to prevent further damage happening to them, we will need to redress the ends in a special double insulated heat shrink treatment to preserve the cable further. Otherwise it will deteriorate and it will need rewiring. The installation definitely in this room will require a 5-yearly inspection and testing in order to confirm that all the equipment here is safe.